Hey everyone! Today I'm diving into a super important topic, tornado safety tips you need to know. Tornadoes can be incredibly dangerous, but with the right knowledge, you can protect yourself and your loved ones. First up, stay informed. It's crucial to monitor weather alerts. Make sure you're tuned into weather reports through a battery-powered weather radio, smartphone apps, or your local news channels. And don't just stop there. Understand the warning signs. A tornado warning means one is imminent or has already been spotted in your area. A tornado watch, on the other hand, means conditions are favorable for a tornado to form. When it comes to seeking shelter, head to a basement or storm cellar if you have one. No basement? No problem. Go to an interior room, like a small windowless room in the center of your home. Think bathrooms, closets, or hallways. And whatever you do, avoid windows. Stay away to protect yourself from flying glass and debris. Cover your head and neck with heavy blankets, mattresses, or anything sturdy to shield yourself from debris. If you're in a mobile home, leave immediately and find more substantial shelter. Now let's talk about staying away from dangerous areas. Avoid highways or open fields. Don't try to outrun a tornado in your car. If you're driving, stop and find shelter in a sturdy building. If no shelter is nearby, lie flat in a ditch. Also, don't take shelter under overpasses. They can make you more vulnerable to wind and flying debris. Protecting yourself is key. If you can't find a basement, crouch down and protect your head and neck. Get under something sturdy if possible. Wear sturdy shoes and clothes to avoid injuries from walking through debris afterward. After the tornado has passed, wait for the all clear from authorities before leaving your shelter. Be cautious of fallen power lines and gas leaks. If you smell gas or see downed power lines, leave the area immediately. Check for injuries and help those who are hurt, but don't move them unless they're in immediate danger. Preparation is everything. Create an emergency kit with essentials like water, non-perishable food, a flashlight, first aid supplies, batteries, and a whistle. Have a family plan to ensure everyone knows where to go and how to communicate during an emergency. That's it, folks. Remember, staying informed and prepared can make all the difference when a tornado strikes. Stay safe out there. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more life-saving tips and tricks.